Tahini has risen the ranks in trendy health foods over the years, and I am here for it. We're using it as a base for these tahini brownies that are so thick and chewy, they rival the brownies from your childhood. If you have a nut allergy, this recipe is for you. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making tahini brownies with an optional, not so optional, tahini caramel sauce. You don't need a reason to bake these, but if you have a family birthday, a work celebration, or an event coming up, go ahead and add these to your to-bake list. To start, line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment paper. My favorite way to do this is by cutting the parchment paper into a square and then cutting slits diagonally into the center from each corner. This allows you to easily place it into the square baking dish, leaving enough hangover to grab the sides and remove the brownies once they're baked. To make the brownies, start by adding 7 ounces of roughly chopped dark chocolate into a medium microwave-safe bowl with 1 cup of tahini. Microwave them on high for 30 seconds, then remove, stir, and repeat the process until they're completely melted and smooth. Set this aside to cool slightly. While it's cooling, add 2 large eggs and 1 cup of coconut sugar to a separate large bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer and beat for 2 to 4 minutes. Beat in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then pour the cooled chocolate tahini mixture in and stir with a spatula until just combined. Add a half a cup of natural cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt to the mixture, and gently fold it in until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Pour the brownie batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly to each corner. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. You definitely don't want to overcook these brownies or they'll end up crumbly. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly, then grab the sides of the parchment paper and lift the brownies out of the pan to cool completely. Cut and serve right away or whip up the tahini caramel sauce quickly. Add 1/4 cup of tahini, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to a microwave-safe bowl and then heat it in 30-second increments until melted. Whisk gently, then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Drizzle the caramel over the cooled or slightly cooled brownies and top with additional flaky sea salt. I hope you feel confident to tackle this easy tahini brownie recipe now. It's made with simple ingredients, and if you're craving a classic brownie, this will hit the spot. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think of the recipe. I would love to connect with you. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. If you want to see me teach my husband how to make paleo brownies, check out this recipe.